Sairam children, I welcome you back for our previous chapter 4, long and short. I hope children, what we have did previous exercise, it is clear to you. Okay. Now, today we are going to start with our page number 50. How big is my hand? In this, you have to measure hand. Okay. Measure the length of your thumb. In this, you have to measure the length of thumb and your little finger. Use the scale on this page. Which is longer, thumb or little finger? In this, you have to measure thumb or little finger, and then you have to write down which is longer, both of them, whether it is thumb is longer or little finger. Understood? Bring a measuring tape to your class. Children, what is measuring tape? I hope you understood. Yes, measuring tape is your inchy tape. Understood? With that, you can measure what you can measure, different parts of your body. Check your guess is correct. You can use a scale, string, measuring tape. In this, you can use a scale, string or measuring tape. Understood? What we have to measure, children? Like, we have to measure nose. Okay, we have to measure nose. Around the wrist. Wrist is this, कलाई को बोलते हैं हम. Around the head. Head you will measure this part with your inchy tape. Ear. Ear you will measure. Okay. And hand. And you will measure hand. Tip of middle finger to wrist means this part. This finger to this wrist you will measure with inchy tape. आपको middle part measure करना है. Understood? Up to wrist. This part. Understood? These 5 things you have to measure with your inchy tape. You will take help with your parents, and then you will write down your friend's measurement. Okay? You are having your friends. Yours you will write here, and what your friend measurement is there you will write here, and he will write your measurement. Understood? This activity done between 2 friends. Understood? Okay children, now come to next. Compare your measurement with your friends. Now you have to compare your measurement with your friends. Who has the biggest head and who has the smallest head? Means if you are 2 friends, okay, and you will measure your head, same you can do. Like here you measuring the head na, and here you are writing your head measurement and your friend. If yours is big, yours is longer, biggest, so what you can write? Your name. And whose is smallest? His name will write here. Biggest name will write first, then smallest name you can write here. Like your friend, measurement of head, like Rohan is your friend, you will write his name here. Rohan head measurement is bigger, and your name is Vivek. Okay, so you will write down your name here, Vivek, smallest. Okay children, now who has the longest hand? Same, like you are measuring your hand here also. Okay, so same you have to write down here, like who has the longest hand, who has the longest hand. So one name you will write, means you are Vivek and your friend name is Rohan. If your hand is longest, so here you have to write down only longest name. So like your hand is longest hand, so you will write down your name here, like you will write down here Vivek. Understood? Now which is longer, like ear or your nose? Now here you have to write your ear or nose, which is longer. Like you will measure your nose, you will measure your ear, and you will see which measurement is big. Understood? Which measurement is big. So what you will write? If your ear measurement is big, so you will write here ear, not name, ear. Or if your nose measurement is more than ear, so you will write here nose. Understood? If any of your nails more than 1 centimeter long, then what you will do? If any of your nails is 1 centimeter long, more than 1 centimeter, so you will write down here that which nail is more than 1 centimeter, like your first finger, second, third or fourth or nail. Which finger nail is more than 1 centimeter, that you will write here. Like your thumb, if your thumbnail is more than 1 centimeter, so you will write down thumb. If you are write down your first fingernail is 1 centimeter longer, so what you will write down? First finger of your hand. Okay, understood? So take help with your parents. Now come to next page. Ghibli and the grains. Aunt Ghibli has to reach the grains. She is looking for the shortest road. Can you tell her which is the shortest road? Now here you have to tell that which is the shortest road. Okay, to Ghibli and the grain, there were two were there, so here you have to tell which is, yes, which is shortest, means which road is shortest. So how you, yes, you will measure with that inchi tape, or you can see, like you can draw a road shorter than these. What you can do? You can draw a road shorter than these, which is what is the length of that road. Here you will, what you will do? You will measure, okay, which road is longer or which long is shorter. So here you have to write down the shorter one. I hope road B is shorter. Road B is shorter. You will write here road B is shorter, and what is the length of that road? You will measure and you will write down. Understood? Now come to next page. How long is a meter? I want to make a long kurta. Take 2 meter cloth for your kurta. Now she came here and she is asking for that I want how long meter I want to stitch long kurta. So he told that 2 meter cloth for your kurta, means according to the length of the person, he is telling 2 meter is sufficient for your long kurta. And how many meter for a long skirt for me? You need 3 meter. Now he is telling 3 meter for skirt and 2 meter for kurta. Okay, let us make meter rope. You must have seen shopkeeper measuring cloth with a meter rod. Now have you seen when a shopkeeper measuring cloth, he is having very big type of scale, or you can say inch, what kind of rope he is having, that he is cutting that cloth. Use a meter rod and a rope. Make a knot at end of the rope, means they are measuring here, and at the end of the rope, from here they are cutting down. Keep the meter rod with the rope. Keep the meter rod with the rope. Mark 1 meter on the rope and make a knot there. Now the length between the two knot is 1 meter. Now the length between two knots is between 1 meter. This is your meter rope. If you do not get a meter rod, use a measuring tape. Whether they are using meter rod or what they are using, inchy tape. Okay, measuring tape they are using. 100 centimeter on the rope, and then 100 centimeter are equal to a meter. So you can get a meter rope. You can get an idea with that meter rope also. Understood? Now come to next page. Guess and check. What you have to do? Guess and check. Now your activity 1 is what? Find some things that you look 1 meter long. Now you have to see that the things that is 1 meter long. Use your meter rope to find of these things and more less than 1 meter. Like what you can measure? Like you can measure length of a table. Okay, you will mention here more than 1 meter or less than 1 meter. You have to mention here. Understood? Length of table you will measure with the inchy tape. You are having measuring tape, that from that you can measure. Width of a table. Width, what is width? Chaudai. Width, length, lambai, width, chaudai. You will measure. Width of a door, then you will measure width of a door, and then you will measure length of a door, and then you will write which is more than 1 meter and which is less than 1 meter. Understood? This is your activity. This you will measure. This is your homework. Understood? Children, do complete your work in book also, what I am giving you. Understood? Now activity 2. Some class 3rd children have marked a 1 meter height on the wall of their class. You can also mark 1 meter on your class wall. Now you can mark 1 meter on your class wall. Some class 3rd children have marked 1 meter height on the wall of their class. You can also mark 1 meter on your class wall. They have marked 1 meter on the class wall. So they are doing activity, but it is temporary. We don't write anything on the wall. That is only for measuring. So you can take help with your parents, and with the help of wall you can measure that height of wall, height on the wall of their class. Or you can measure, you are not coming to school this time, so you can measure height on the wall of your room. Understood? Come to next page. Now a chart of heights of your friends. To measure the centimeter, you can use your small scale. Now you have to use your small scale. Okay, like name is Shambhu, and you are measuring taller, shorter, equal to 1 meter. How many centimeter more or less than a meter? So how many centimeter you can measure? 4 centimeter. In this you have to measure centimeter. You can use your small scale also. Like these are friends. Okay, so you can measure there. Like you will take one example they have done. 4 you can take with your friends. Like your 4 friends are there. Okay, you will write down their name here. Taller, shorter, or equal to 1 meter. Here you will write, and then you will write that is in centimeter, meter, or less than a meter. Okay, so it should be written here. Understood, children? I hope this point is clear to you. This is your home activity. Now Yahoo I am 4 centimeter more than 1 meter. Let me see if I am also taller than a meter. Now they both are conversation are going on between both, that I am 4 centimeter more than 1 meter. Now he is saying that let me also measure that I am also taller than a meter or not. Okay. Now centimeter or meter, this question I have given you in PDF. Okay, on last Friday your PDF work, that's why I told you did in your notebook, like I have given you TV screen. So this also you can do in your notebook. This is the same question, like width of computer screen is centimeter. Understood? Length of pagdi worn by Sikhs. The Sikhs who are using pagdi, that is meter or centimeter? Yes, that is meter. Height of 1-year-old child, that is centimeter. Length of banana, that is centimeter. Waist of an elephant, that is meter. Height of sugarcane, that is also meter. Height of sugarcane. Depth of well, that is meter. Height of your mother, that is meter. Distance from classroom to school gate, that is kilometer. Length of your father arm, that is meter. Understood? This also you will do in your notebook. Understood, children? In your notebook. Okay, and you will write in book also for your practice. Understood? Okay. Now trip to Agra. Mary and Baisang are going with their family to Agra. They get down at Agra Cant railway station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they start for Agra Fort. Again in rickshaw. In the afternoon, they take a bus to go to Fatehpur Sikri. This is a trip to Agra. Now, come to next page. Here they are going, map of Agra. Okay, you can see how they are going. Agra Kent railway station, then Taj Mahal, Taj Forest, okay, Agra Fort, Babar Forest, then we went to Fatehpur Sikri. Understood? Now look at the distance between the places for kilometer. We write for kilometer, we are writing like this, km. So now Agra Kent railway station to Taj Mahal is 5 kilometer. Taj Mahal to Agra Fort is 2 kilometer. Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri is 40 kilometer. They have written here. Now find the map which is farther from Agra, which is farther मतलब जो दूर है, farther from Agra Kent railway station to Taj Mahal Fatehpur Sikri. Shows the railway line. This is the railway line. Which of these is nearer to the railway line? Which is nearer? Can you answer? Yes. Babar Forest or Taj Forest, which is nearer? You can see na, from railway line, this is your railway line. Okay. So, which is nearer? Babar Forest or Taj Forest? That is your Taj forest. That is your Taj forest. Agra Fort or Taj Mahal, which is nearer? Agra Fort is far, so Taj Mahal is nearer. So Taj Mahal is nearer to the railway line. We have to see the railway line. This is your railway line. So Taj Mahal and Taj forest is nearer to the railway line. Understood? Now come to next page. Here you have to do matching. Draw lines to match each picture with how long it can be. Okay. So here what we have to do, we have to match like length of an earthworm. I hope you know, children, this is that length of earthworm is 10 centimeter. You will match in the book and you will write down date and classwork. Understood? Height of a child, yes, that is 1 meter. Width of a fingernail, you know, width of a fingernail is 1 centimeter. Length of a sari, I hope you all knows, length of a sari is 5 meter. Now distance from home to school, that is, they have shown here na, so that is 2 kilometer. But from not your home they are asking here home to school, that is 2 kilometer. Understood, children? I hope this is clear to you. You do in your book, you will write down classwork and you will write down date also. Okay, children? I hope it is clear to you. Now come to next page. The long tail competition. The animal in this picture had a competition. The animal who had the longest tail. Which animal is having the longest tail? Won a prize. Now who do you think won the first prize and who won the second prize? Just guess the length of longest tail. Now tell, elephant, monkey, cow or a pig. Who is having a longest tail? Yes, children. I hope this is clear. Lizard, mouse, which is having longest tail? Yes, monkey tail is longest and is about 1 meter long. You will write here monkey. Okay, monkey tail in this monkey tail is longest. Okay, you will write down here, you will write down I am writing here monkey tail is longest, that is 1 meter long. Understood? You will write down monkey tail is longest, that is 1 meter long. And where you will write down the answer? You will write down the answer here. Understood, children? I hope this chapter is clear to you. So now this chapter is completed. So you complete your exercise, you do complete what I told you. So children, till then, bye.